That's basically the life support to this equipment is that trailer. You know, that's what keeps this operation running is that trailer. If it's not here, they can't run. You know, it's your fuel, your consumables, all that stuff is in that trailer every day. Well, my name is Aaron Bishel. This is Groundbreaking Ag. What I do is I take out orchards and I do the whole recycling. This is a 16-year-old orchard that has reached its limit in growth because of a root fungus. So we're taking the trees out and then we're going to reincorporate them and then rip this field and they're going to replant into a new tree, start its life over again. It's basically like a little kid when you're in a sandbox, you know, you always played with toys. Now you get to do it as an adult. So the vines, basically, they are 20 to 10-year-old vines. The way the market is right now, they're not making enough money to grow them, so they're gonna be putting in almonds. Taking the vines out, we're gonna prep the ground and they're gonna plant almonds and they'll go from there. To save time, because time is money, sometimes you don't value that, you know, when you're the owner, but you realize, okay, if I buy this trailer and I make 1 round a day versus 6 rounds back to my house to get fuel, that right there will justify it. It's probably the best trailer that can tow it. Torsion axles with that kind of weight, you don't even know what's behind you. These machines consume so much fuel that you have to have more. These 3 pieces of equipment need 1,000 gallons every day here. So the trailer is like your life support. You bring the trailer, you leave the trailer, he needs to go get a hose, he needs to go get this, he takes off, the trailer stays here, they continue to run. The number one thing that when people talk about that trailer, like they see it behind my truck, they're like, that thing's a ridiculous amount of money. I can get this trailer for X amount of dollars. I go, yeah, but it will never be that. Those aren't apples to apples, you know what I mean? It's like a half ton to a 1 ton, you know what I mean? Like you're not even the same, you're not in the same wheelhouse. I feel that in the last 2 years, I've gotten to where I want to be. Now it's getting, how do I get better at what I do with what I have? And how do I maximize the profit with each piece of equipment that I have? It's about having a really good life with your family and having a really good business that can provide, you know, that fun time with your family. That's all I want to do.